Ollama versus Hugging Face. Which AI platform is better? Choosing the right AI platform can transform how you build and deploy models without overwhelming complexity. We'll briefly look at Ollama and Hugging Face to help you decide. Ollama and Hugging Face both offer powerful AI tools, but their core difference lies in focus. Ollama specializes in local AI model deployment with privacy and speed, while Hugging Face provides a vast cloud-based ecosystem for model sharing and collaboration. Ollama is an AI platform designed for running large language models locally on your machine. It streamlines the process of deploying and interacting with models without relying heavily on cloud infrastructure. Users install Ollama's lightweight client, which supports multiple models optimized for performance and privacy. This setup reduces latency and protects sensitive data by keeping computation on device. Its strengths include offline accessibility, fast response times, and control over model usage. However, the limitation is hardware dependency. Running large models locally requires capable machines, which might not be feasible for everyone. Ollama is ideal for developers and businesses prioritizing data privacy and low latency AI applications without continuous internet access. It suits those who want to experiment with AI models privately and efficiently on personal or enterprise hardware. Hugging Face is a comprehensive AI platform centered around cloud-based model hosting, sharing, and collaboration. It provides an extensive library of pre-trained models across various AI domains, accessible via API or through its user-friendly interface. Hugging Face's hub encourages community contributions, enabling developers to share and fine-tune models easily. Its strengths lie in scalability, diversity of models, and seamless integration with popular machine learning frameworks. The platform supports collaborative workflows and offers tools for dataset management and model evaluation. A key limitation is dependency on cloud services, which may raise concerns around latency and data privacy for sensitive projects. Hugging Face is perfect for teams and individuals seeking a collaborative environment with access to a broad AI model ecosystem and scalable cloud infrastructure. It fits users focused on rapid prototyping, research, and deployment without maintaining local hardware. Ollama and Hugging Face serve different needs despite both being AI platforms. Ollama excels when local processing, privacy, and low latency are crucial, such as in on-premise applications or sensitive data environments. Hugging Face shines in collaborative projects, requiring access to a large model repository and cloud scalability, ideal for research teams and startups. Ollama's local-first approach limits users to hardware capabilities, but offers independence from internet connectivity. Hugging Face relies on cloud infrastructure, which simplifies scaling but introduces potential latency and privacy trade-offs. For example, a developer building a private chatbot might prefer Ollama, while a data science team running experiments with multiple models benefits from Hugging Face's ecosystem. Choosing between them depends on your priorities, local control and privacy, or cloud collaboration and model diversity. Choose Ollama if you need fast, private AI processing on your own hardware without relying on cloud services or internet connectivity. Opt for Hugging Face if you want access to a rich variety of models, collaborative tools, and scalable cloud infrastructure for research or production. Both platforms excel in their domains, so align your choice with your project's technical and privacy needs for best results.